How to fix Snapchat timeout error. If you're getting this error, then the first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes weak network causes the timeout issue. Next thing you want to do is restart the app. For that, you simply want to exit out of the Snapchat app, then open the app switcher and then swipe Snapchat away from your screen. Now launch open Snapchat and check if your error is fixed. If the problem continues, you want to clear Snapchat's cache. For that, tap and hold on the Snapchat app, tap on this info icon. Now you want to scroll down and find the storage option, tap on clear cache. Once that is done, launch open Snapchat and check if your error is fixed. If not, then you want to re-log in. For that, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings, scroll all the way down, and here you will find the logout option. Tap on that. Then re-log in and then check if your problem is fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.